Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integration of the absolute value. So now I will show you how to answer. Now we consider about the absolute value in here from negative number 1 to positive number 1. We know that when s equal to number 0, you got about 0 in here. The sign of s is about positive, so from 0 to number 1, you got about positive in here. From here to here, you got about negative. About this one, we have number 0 when we put number 1 in here. The sign of this one is about negative, so that means we have negative from here, but from here to here, you got about positive. So we can separate them into two integration. That's about the absolute value of 1 minus s. And the second one, that's about the integration from negative number 1 to number 1 of the absolute value of s. We know that from this one is about the positive on the left. So if we open the absolute value, we got like this. This one, we have the negative sign here. So the integration from negative number 1 to number 0, we need to put the negative sign in here. To change this negative into the positive, because the value inside the absolute value, that should be about the positive number. This one, because this is about positive, so we don't need to put the negative sign. Now, the integration of number 1, you got about s. This one, we have s squared over 2. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. This one, we have s squared over 2 from negative number 1 to number 0. This one, we have s squared over 2 from 0 to number 1. Now, we put value number 1 go in here, negative number 1 go in here. So we calculate everything and we got the final answer, and we have number 3. So the answer is about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.